Some ground cover plants spread fast, but quickly take over the entire garden. This creates extra work instead of saving time. The plants in this video are different. They spread steadily, fill empty soil, and stay manageable season after season. Creeping thyme spreads slowly and evenly across the soil. It fills gaps without crowding nearby plants. This ground cover prefers full sun and well-drained soil. It is easy to control and very low maintenance. Ajuga spreads at a moderate pace and stays compact. It fills shaded areas without becoming aggressive. This plant works well under trees and along borders. Occasional trimming keeps it neat. Sweet woodruff spreads gently and predictably. It forms a soft carpet without overwhelming nearby plants. This ground cover thrives in shade and moist soil. It is ideal for controlled garden spaces. Lamium spreads steadily and remains easy to control. Its patterned leaves brighten shaded areas. This plant prefers partial shade and moderate moisture. It is a reliable option for tidy gardens. Periwinkle spreads slowly when properly maintained. It creates solid coverage without aggressive growth. This plant tolerates shade and poor soil conditions. Regular edging helps define its space. Sedum grows outward in clumps rather than runners. This growth habit makes it easy to manage. Sedum thrives in sunny, dry locations. It is ideal for structured garden layouts. Moss phlox spreads in a compact, low-growing form. It fills soil evenly without spreading uncontrollably. This plant prefers full sun and good drainage. It is perfect for borders and slopes. Pachysandra spreads slowly and forms dense coverage over time. It stays contained and works well in shaded areas. This ground cover requires minimal care once established. It is ideal for long-term planting under trees. Choosing the right ground cover makes garden maintenance easier. Controlled spreading keeps your garden balanced and neat. For ground covers that fill empty spaces quickly, watch the video linked on screen.